Alright, so I've gone through the fuses. Gonna go to passenger side fuses, row A, B, C, D. D's the bottom. D, I went and did some testing. A lot of them stayed at 12 volts, but the one I really liked was row D. These cycled off with the key, and PASM control unit and occupant sensing control unit / airbag. Between those two, I'm gonna go with PASM. Number 2. And with the key off, you get a reading of 0. And then with the key on, you get a reading of 12. So that's a great place to tie in. I do have the different ignition. It's the little fake key. Yeah, gonna tie into row A, B, C, D, number 2. That's the PASM control unit. When you cycle the key on, the AC comes on, and the lights on the center console turn on, and that's when the power comes in. So